Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and if we want to transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC, first of all, we need to log into CapCut. You can go to the section to log into your CapCut, and here as you can see, I have logged into my CapCut. And after we have logged in, we'll be able to access the CapCut space. You can go to edit section, then this is the CapCut space you can use to back up your project. You can upload your project to the space so we can share our project to other devices. And just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is my CapCut space. I have uploaded some projects to the space, and if we want to upload project, we just need to click on this plus button and you can select draft, and here you can choose the CapCut project you want to transfer to your PC. I'm gonna go with this one for example, then we just need to click on upload. Okay, then you have to wait until the project uploaded to your CapCut space, and after that you just need to open your CapCut PC, and you have to log into your CapCut PC with the same account you have logged in to this device. Then you have to open the CapCut space on CapCut PC, then you will be able to access your project or the project you have uploaded to your CapCut space. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.